Hey, welcome. In this video, we will learn how to open private window in Firefox. So there are 4 ways to open private window in Firefox. So the first way, you can click on the hamburger menu and you can find an option, the new private window. Here you can see the new private window is opened. And the second way is, you can right click on the top bar and click menu bar. A new option will open and you can click file and click new window. Here is the another way, and you can open using shortcut Ctrl Shift P. Here the new window, private window open. And the last way is, you can search something on Google, like I search Wikipedia. Here the Google search result is open and you can click any on the link, right click and click open the link in new private window. As you can see, the link will open in private window. Here the new link will open private window. Thanks.